my name is Paula and I'm your science coordinator, and for today's experiment we're making oobleck. Somebody requested that I make this last meeting, so here I am making it. For today's experiment, what you're going to need is you're going to need some cornstarch, you're going to need some watering, food coloring is optional, I recommend it makes it more fun. You're going to need a bowl. I couldn't find a clear bowl and I wanted a clear one, so I'm using a pie dish. We'll see how that goes. A measuring cup, and I'm using 2 spoons. So let's see how it works. Let's see the science behind it, okay? Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you're gonna add your water. It's 1 cup of water. I already measured it out. And then you're gonna need 1 cup of cornstarch. And then you're going to mix that. And then from there, you're going to add more cornstarch, as needed. So go slowly and just, add cornstarch slowly. So, me being me, I wanted to turn my oobleck upside down. Let's pray to God it doesn't spill, because my mother would kill me. So let's see if this works. Okay, I'm standing up. My rag is on the floor. 3, 2, 1. And it doesn't fall. Okay, don't mind this. This is my little makeshift mic because for some reason my audio wasn't working that well, so here we have our little microphone. Anyways, so we did our experiment, but now we need to talk about the science behind what's going on here. So I really wanted to give you guys a good explanation, so I did some research. I didn't want to just tell you it's the states of matter, property, blah, that doesn't make sense. I didn't want to give you guys basically it's a solid, it's a liquid. No, I wanted to give you guys a good explanation. So while I was doing research, I found out that the daddy of physics himself, Sir Isaac Newton, studied about Newtonian and non-Newtonian fluids. So let me go into a little backstory about that and then we'll explain. So Isaac Newton was studying science, obviously, and he figured out that there are 2 types of, well, not 2, but there are 2 main types of fluids, a non-Newtonian fluid and a Newtonian fluid. So a Newtonian fluid is a fluid that will remain constant, that its viscosity will remain constant even if an external force is added onto it. So this is like water. Imagine you're squeezing water as hard as you can, but nothing about it is changing. It's still water, It doesn't change its state. Well, there's this other kind of fluid called a non-Newtonian fluid. So non-Newtonian fluids are fluids that viscosity can change depending on the shear rate of force applied to it. So these non-Newtonian fluids include stuff like conditioner, yogurt, honey. Honey is a good one. So those are non-Newtonian fluids. So depending on how much force you apply to it, it can change its kind of consistency, its viscosity. Well, oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid. So imagine when you're playing with oobleck, it changes forces. There's actually more really cool stuff about oobleck because oobleck isn't a typical non-Newtonian fluid because it actually completely changes states of matter. It can go from a solid to a liquid, whereas other non-Newtonian fluids like honey or yogurt, it doesn't change, it's just the viscosity changes. So scientists are really curious about Oobleck, and they're doing a few cool studies on it. So if you're interested in that, go check it out. I can probably help you find some sources. If you need help, just let me know. So basically what we needed to talk about is that what's going on in this experiment is, I have my notes here, so I'm going to kind of read to you a little bit. So when you mix cornstarch into water, the starchy grains become suspended in the liquid, creating a substance with non-Newtonian abilities. When you apply pressure to the oobleck, the liquid becomes more viscous, not less. At the place where you apply force, the cornstarch particles get mashed together, trapping water molecules between them, and the oobleck turns into a semi-solid material. So that's the explanation about it. Again, I found this research to be really interesting. I was really fascinated about the Newtonian and the non-Newtonian fluids because I had never learned that before. So yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Also, I want to give a big thanks to Miss Veronica because she's the one that requested that I do Oobleck. So again, if you guys have any requests for me to do in the future, please let me know, and I would be more than happy to try out your experiments. Also, if you guys are wanting to try one of my experiments, I would definitely recommend doing this one. It was really fun, it's really cool, and it's just fun. So try it out. If you try it, make sure to send a pic to SNHS, and we would love to feature you on our Instagram. So anyways, I don't think I'm forgetting anything. If I am, I'll just let you know. Have a great day, and I love you guys. Bye!